Hi everybody, it's Miss Renee. I am going to be doing our work for today. Alright, this first page here, it says welcome. I'm so excited that you're here. And we're going to do our hello song. Let's do it together.
Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. How are you? Let's make a circle. Let's make a circle. Let's make a circle. Good idea. Let's walk this way. Let's walk this way. Let's walk this way. Good idea. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. How are you? Let's clap our hands. Let's clap our hands. Let's clap our hands. Good idea. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. How are you? Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. How are you?
Nice job. Thank you. All right, let's check out our greeting today. Let's see, we did a high five, a fist bump, and a butterfly handshake. So today, let's find a friend and give them a big hug. It can be a parent, a grandparent, or a stuffed animal, or anyone who's around you. Just give them a big hug for today. All right, let's check out what our letter of the day is today. This is the letter F. F makes the sound F. Awesome. Let's check out our F sound.
Follow us forward as we focus on the letter F. There's 14 ferrets on a Ferris wheel. There's a frog playing fiddle and Papa John's deal. Free fried chicken is a really good deal. All right. Fantastic! There was a fuzzy fox at the flower festival. I am fond of French toast with fruit topping. Far out. We are finished. That was fabulous.
Nice job. Our letter today is F. F makes the sound F. All right, let's check out what our number of the day is today. Ooh, it is the number 1. All right, show me those 2 zeros. And 1. 1. Good job. Let's check out our number 1 video.
When the count's just begun, the simplest one you'll ever see, and its name is number 1. There's just one moon up in the sky, there's just one blazing sun. Oh, number 1 is less than 2, but still it's more than none. One horn, one big wheel, one ball, one train seal, one fine automobile. Number 1 is fun. I joined up in a baseball game, we won it by 1 run. I found a crisp $1 bill. meal, but I wish I had a ton. I barbecued one burger, I served it on one bun. The contest judges took one back and said, "You're number one." One kite flying up high, one bee buzzing on by, one big cyclops eye. Number one is fun. One dog chewing one shoe, one chimp playing kazoo, one skunk, yeah, yeah. Number one is fun. Number one is fun.
Nice job. Number 1 is our number today. All right, there's only one fish on there, so help me count. 1. Good job. All right, our shape today, let's check out what it is. Nice. This shape has 1, 2, 3 sides. It has 1, 2, 3 corners. This shape is called a triangle. A triangle.
What shape should we sing about next? Let's try triangle. I'm a triangle and I've got 3 sides. I'm a triangle, draw me with 3 lines. An arrow or a tree. A tree. You can make with me. I can be a mountain. Let's climb a mountain. I can be a hat. Do I look stylish? I can be the ears. Hello there. On a kitty cat. Meow, kitty, kitty. I can be the beak on a birdie. I can be a nose. Yes, I'm tight. I can be a corn chip. Crunchy. I can be the sail. Hoist the sail. On a sailing ship. Ahoy. I'm a triangle and I've got 3 sides. I'm a triangle, draw me with 3 lines. A rocket ship or a teepee. Wowie. You can make with me. I see. I'm a triangle. We're glad we tried the triangle.
Nice job. That was our shape today, the triangle. All right, that's all we have for today. A lot of fun. Thank you for singing with me and finding out what our letter, our number, and our shape of the day was. We'll see you again soon. Bye, guys.